Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you find this video helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This is my personal experience using these banks, so your experience might differ slightly. On Rome Tips today, it's Fifth Third Bank versus Regions Bank. Which one comes out on top? In this video, we'll compare these two banking giants to help you decide which best aligns with your financial goals. Let's dive in. Fifth Third Bank offers a comprehensive suite of personal banking products, including checking and savings accounts, credit cards, and various loan options. Their highly rated mobile app provides a seamless and user-friendly experience for managing finances on the go. A key differentiator for Fifth Third is their 360-degree approach to banking, striving to provide both competitive rates on savings accounts and affordable loan options. This balanced approach caters to individuals seeking a blend of convenience and value. Beyond everyday banking, Fifth Third also offers a broad range of financial services, such as investment management, retirement planning, and even dedicated small business banking services, making it a versatile choice for both individuals and entrepreneurs. For those who value accessibility, Fifth Third boasts a robust nationwide presence with branches in over 10 states. Regions Bank, on the other hand, prioritizes personalized service and a strong commitment to community engagement. They offer a comparable range of banking products, including checking and savings accounts, credit cards, and loans. Regions distinguishes itself with its Regions Rewards program, allowing customers to earn points for everyday transactions, and their Regions Live Chat feature, providing easily accessible customer support. They also offer specialized savings tools like the Regions Relationship Savings Account, which offers the potential to earn higher interest rates based on the depth of your relationship with the bank. This makes Regions an attractive choice for those who value a more personalized banking experience, especially those seeking community involvement and local services. So, which bank reigns supreme? If you prioritize nationwide convenience, a user-friendly mobile experience, and competitive rates, Fifth Third Bank might be the better choice. However, if you value personalized service, a community-focused approach, and unique savings tools, Regions Bank could be a more suitable fit. Be sure to check out the links in the description to explore both options further and make the most informed decision for your financial needs.